consumers are prepared to pay more for made in the UK. Well, I don't see that at the moment. So let's galvanise effort. Let's work productively with those big brands like Marks and Spencer's and Next. And let's find a way that we can do this where everybody's happy. I was a senior buyer in the industry. I then left to have my own business. I got married, I had 2 children, I had a third on the way, and it was too much. So I trusted a third party and I got stabbed in the back. I thought, there's got to be better things in life than just making money. So I decided to help people. Retailers in particular just think, you can't make in the UK. And if anybody else tells me we haven't got the skills, I'll scream, because that really gets my goat. But secondly, they say, oh, you're too expensive. It's not just unit price, is it? It is about the emissions. It is about don't overproduce. They put those orders in knowing there's going to be a 40% reduction. Why would you do that in this era of waste? Every single person knows we are trying to do good at the moment, right? We want to be different. We want to be the best, actually. We've always wanted to be ethical and sustainable, and I think those words now are so overused, but actually we were doing that from the beginning. So when we did our manufacturing, we had every policy in place. We wanted transparency, which is why we had Galaxius. We've had Galaxius for years. So we know who's made what and when and how much they were paid. And we were always proud of that. That's how business should be. And what I would like people to think of Fashion Entry is we are genuinely an honest broker. We're not in this for money, I can assure you of that. And I just think, let us work as one for the good of the industry and get manufacturing back on track.